So we're back. Unfortunately, last time there was sound problems. So on to cost basis. So this is how much it actually cost you to get in to take that position. So when I mean take that position, I mean when you purchased these 49 Australian kangaroos 2018 version, this is how much it cost you to get them. That includes shipping and whatever taxes or whatever you've put into on the transaction thing. So it's the cost per item on the website plus shipping, and then that's how it works it out. So that this is your cost basis, which is an important number to know, because then this is how you measure, have you made a profit, have you made a loss, or how good is your position, and all that sort of thing. So then unrealized gains or losses. So this takes into account gains or losses. So if it's a gain, something's worth more than you paid for it. If it's a loss, something's worth less than you paid for it, based on if you're valuing it at spot or if you're valuing it at resale. So if I go to resale, which I just did there, I have made an unrealized gain because I have yet to sell, and that's when unrealized basically has not happened yet. €30. So that's a 3.74%. Isn't bad. No capital gains on that, because there's the coin has like it's dollar or euro denomination on it, so therefore in most countries it's exempt from capital gains tax. So that isn't bad for a year or however long these have been held for. And this is also a underestimated value. Also, these are all hypothetical numbers again. So then back to spot. So that's what this is, and then gives you in terms of percentage measured against your cost basis. Then you've got your realized one. So say I sold 10 of these and each one I made €2 profit, I would have realized gains of 20. Now say I sold 20 of them at a loss of €2 each, I'd have a realized loss of the same. So then we've got total gains or losses, and this is realized and unrealized, and that's it. And then we have our market value, and then this is just for the exchange rate. So now if you want to change this to say dollars or whatever, you can do that. So if your base value is in dollars and you bought in euros, or it's valued in euros, that's what you do. So if it's dollar, there's no exchange rate, but it is to dollar, euro, there is. Then you have the exact same thing for gold, and then database. Any questions, I will answer in the comment section, and I will add app scripts in eventually.